Hey Dayz, as you can see, I'm changing a tire, and you're probably like, why are you changing a tire? Well, my dad thinks I can't change a tire, and I like proving people wrong, so I'm changing it. Anyways, I went to pick up my little cousin's son, and I ran over a nail, which is why we're changing this tire. So just enjoy the ASMR.
Yeah, shake his here, yeah. Get one. No, you have to get something.
Meat in the middle. Yeah. Listen. I need this to see it in a place. You like to see it in a place? You see it in a place?
I know what that don't worry. Get that. At 30, you forget it.
That name is subconscious. Of course.
Right?
And shop. Actually, I do this up. The same guy says to me, I said, what landing? On this planet. Listen up.
Yo, 50%.
50%? What are you deducting points for? You help me plug it. I never the part I can do. I can't take it out. I never say I can't plug it. So you say you take 50 and me take 50?
Yes, okay.
That's not how it works.
Suppose the tire puncture.
Which the two of them?
Yeah.
I call my father.
Suppose they're far.
I call everybody over know have care.
Yeah?
Yeah, nobody care.